We do more than 20 adhesives, for example. The most common that some of you will already be familiar with is instant adhesives or cyanoacrylate style adhesives. We produce M-Bond 200, which is a strain gauge certified adhesive. It's designed to go off in thin film. It doesn't have the plasticizers and fillers that are typical of high street cyanoacrylates. So don't be tempted to use a generic adhesive. I do use a strain gauge certified cyanoacrylate. We have cold cure adhesives. So 100% solids epoxies, for example, are really good for long term. They're moisture resistant and they're good at gap filling and textured surfaces. So you can bond to concrete, rocks, pre-preg composites, that kind of thing. They will fill those gaps, whereas a cyanoacrylate will not fill the gaps. And then if you want the ultimate performance, heat cure adhesives, something like M-Bond 610. Almost every commercial load cell you purchase will be using this adhesive to hold the gauges down. 30 plus years. In fact, one of our divisions has now got an MTBF of 50 years using our strain gauge and adhesive. So really good if you want the widest temperature range, the longest life, -269 to about +370, so very wide ranging temperature as well. Used a lot in superconducting magnet and type applications for that cryogenic capability.